Okay, students of class 8th, today we will do the next exercise, product of algebraic expressions, exercise 9.2. Find the product of following pairs of monomials. Student, this is the first question. So, how do we multiply? So far, we studied how to add monomials or how to add algebraic expressions and how to subtract one algebraic expression from the other. Now, today we will learn how to multiply the algebraic expressions. So students, first question is we have two algebraic expressions, two monomials 4 and 7p, and we have to multiply them. So first of all we will write that 4 into 7p. Here students, we will always multiply the numerical coefficients first. So 4 into 7, 4 7 is 28, and p will be together with this. Then second, we have first monomial is minus 4p. We have to multiply it with 7p. So 4 minus 4p into 7p. So students, first of all, we will multiply numerical coefficients minus 4 and 7, and then we will multiply p into p. So minus 4 into 7 students, minus 28. P students, this time we have 2p. So we will write the power p square, 1p 1p. So here we will add the powers of these variables p1 p1, so their coefficients, sorry, their powers will get added. So we have minus 28 p square, the product of given monomials. Now students, we have another x and 4x. Similarly students, here we will multiply these two monomials. So you can see students, here we have only one numerical coefficient 4, so we will write here. So x and x, we have 2x, but here we are not adding them, so we are multiplying, so their powers will get added, because when we have 1x, it means the power of this x is 1, power of this x is 1, so 1 plus 1, it will become 2. Now students, we have next minus 2x, and we have to multiply it with minus 3x square. So you can see students, here we have two negatives in multiplication. Whenever we multiply two negative numbers, the product is always positive. Here is x and here is x square. So students, see here, minus 2 multiply minus 3, so two negatives will become positive. So plus 6, 2 3 is 6. Here students, you have to write x only once and add the powers 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, it will become 3. Now second question is exactly same as the first one students. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. So students, here you have given some monomials p and q, this. So we have to find the area of rectangle. Student, as you know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So you have to take the first one as length, second is breadth. This one is length, second 5p is breadth. Similarly students, you have to multiply these monomials also. So I am telling you first one. Second one is 10m and 5n. So students, you have to take first monomial as length, second as breadth, and then you have to find area of rectangle. So area of rectangle students is always length multiply breadth. So length is 10m and breadth is 5n. You have to take the second one as breadth. So students, first of all we will multiply the numerical coefficients 10 and 5 here, then we will multiply mn. Students, m and n are different variables, so this time we will not add their powers because m is 1 and n is 1, so they will be separately as mn. So 10 into 5, 50, 50 mn. So students, all the remaining questions you have to do yourself. You have to find the areas in these questions. It means you have to multiply. Now comes the third question students. Volume of rectangular boxes. Students, whenever we have 3D figures, we always find volume. Here is students volume of rectangular boxes. If you have a cuboid, so first one you have to take as length, second one as breadth, and third one as height. So let length equal to 5a, breadth equal to 3a square, and height equal to 7a raised to the power 4. So students, we have to find volume. So volume of rectangular boxes is always length multiply breadth multiply height. So students, take length as 5a, breadth is 3a square, and height is 7a raised to the power 4. So students, here first of all you have to multiply these numerical coefficients only, and you have to write a. You can see variable is same but their powers are different. So students, here you have to add their powers. So what is the power of a here? It is 1. What is the power of a in the second monomial is 2. You have to add the powers, and here it is 4. So students, 5 3 is 15, 15 7 is 105, and a raised to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4, it will become 7. Okay students, one more. In this you have to find again volume of rectangular box. Let length equal to 3a, breadth equal to second monomial, and height equal to third monomial. Third monomial is 5abc. Now student, you have to find volume. So how do we find the volume? We multiply length, breadth, and height of rectangular box. So multiplying all these three monomials, 3a, 2b, and 5abc. So we will multiply first numerical coefficient, and now student, check the power of a. Power of a here is 1. Power of a here is also 1. Whenever the power is not given, whenever the exponent is not given, you can take as 1. So how many b's here, students? You can see 1b is here, so 1b is also here, and c is alone, so you will write c only once. Now students, 3 into 2 into 5, it is 30. A raised to the power 1 plus 1, it will become 2. B raised to the power, it becomes 2 also, and C. So this is the volume of rectangular box. Now students, you have to do yourself remaining questions of question 1 2 3 and 4, and you have to send all the remaining questions, solution of remaining questions, on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.